Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about use of is, am, are. Sometimes when we are using is, am, are in the given sentence, then we are not able to recognize that in which subject we have to use is, am, are. So today I am going to tell you one by one about these three verbs that act like a linking verb as well as helping verbs. So let's start. As we all know about pronouns, pronouns are of many types, out of which I am going to tell you about personal pronoun. Why I am going to tell you about personal pronoun? Because after knowing about personal pronoun, it will be easier for you all to understand that how to use is, am, are in the given subject. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are of three types. Personal pronouns are of three types. First person, second person, and third person. So, personal pronouns are of three types, that are first person, second person, and third person. Now, let's talk about first person. When we are talking about first person, it is divided into two forms, that is singular and plural. When we are talking about first person, the subjective case for singular will be I and for plural we. The next one, second person, singular, plural. Subjective case for singular will be you and plural also you. Why I have written you for both singular and plural? Because you has the same form in singular as well as plural. Now I am going to talk about third person. Singular, 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 plural. For third person singular, the subjective case will be he. Next one, she. And the last one, subjective case for singular will be it. And for plural, the subjective case will be they. They. We write over here subjective case. Subjective case. Same for you also. Subjective case. So now I think it is clear to you all that for first person singular, the subjective case will be I, and plural, the subjective case will be we. Second person singular, you, subjective case, plural you, subjective case. Third person singular, he, subjective case, singular she, subjective case, singular it, subjective case, and plural will be they. Now I am going to tell you that how we are going to use is, am, are. Am is used with only I. Okay, am is used only with I. Is used with third person singular, that is he, she, it. Third person singular, he, she, it. So I am going to write here he, she, it. And also with singular nouns. Also with singular nouns. That are, I am taking some examples. There are many singular nouns, cat, boy, cow, etc. Are is used with first person plural, that is we, and also with plural nouns. Also with plural nouns. Cats, boys, cows, etc. Let's do a short exercise related to use of is, am, are. So, first one you all can see I have written over here the girls dash dancing on the stage. So, the girls are plural nouns. So, here we are going to write are. The girls are dancing on the stage. Next one, he dash my best friend. He is a singular third person. So here we are going to write is. He is my best friend. Now the third one is I. I have already told with I we use am. I am a good boy. That is first person singular. Now the fourth one, you. Dash doing well in your exam. So with you, that is second person singular or plural, we use are. You are doing well in your exams. The cow is a singular noun. You can see only one cow is here. I'm talking about only one cow. The cow dash grazing in the field. So here we are using is. The cow is grazing in the field. So I think this video will be very helpful for you all to understand the use of is and are. Thank you.